Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, let's try this new feature from Chrome. I think it's been there for some time. It's called the Recorder tab. I haven't noticed it for, I don't know, for months, but I've never have tried it before. So let's take a look. It says measure performance across entire user journey. But basically, it's just to record your interaction steps. Let's give it a try. Start new recording. Give it a name like test. I'm trying it on Twitter. Start a new recording, and it's recording right now. And the first it should be navigation, right? Okay, now let's try to type in some emoji. Somehow it's very slow. You see that it's basically freezing. Somehow I think the detection or the Chrome console has some freezes the main thread here. Anyway, we've already detected the first click. It says click, target is main, and give us a very complicated selector. Well, it's it's human unreadable. We can edit it, and also the offset stuff is it means that this is an event. Click in this element and at this position. Okay, let's. Oh, sorry. I click on the dev console and then I need to click it again. Click on the emoji and click this one. Okay, this one. It's freezing. Ooh, okay, it's done. And then, yeah. Okay, now let's stop. And we have this nice steps. It looks like similar to the Cypress E2E test framework. It's very useful. We're using it. It's pretty cool. Okay, this click here, and then next one is click, and here is click element add emoji. So the selector is different. It's ARIA label. Oh yeah, so it's kind of have different possible selectors for each target, right? So maybe if there's ARIA label, it's more trustable. This is kind of like the fallback, the last resort for the selector generation. Anyway, click it. So how is this useful? Let's click the replay button here. You can see that it will be rerun. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. I must say it's pretty cool. And what's the most important? The coolest part is that we can download it, and it will generate the wait a minute. It will generate actually some boilerplate code for Puppeteer, the E2E testing. You can see here. This is the steps. First step, we navigate to some page. Here, and then this is the first step. We click on something, right? We wait for it to become visible, and then scroll it, and then click it. And then the next step is click on the another emoji tab stuff, right? Blah blah blah. And the steps we're recording here doesn't mean anything because we don't have assertion. So usually we should like wait, expect something like, okay, expect hello something blah blah blah. So there's no assertion here, and you can see that it requires Puppeteer. Pretty cool. One thing I've noticed that what I think of it is that you see that it's kind of freezing, and this stuff I don't think it's maintainable. So yeah, this is definitely not a great to be in our source code. That if we do this, it means that anytime we make some changes, we need to re-record these steps in this Chrome browser. It's not very efficient. Like it's not very efficient, I would say. But there's an update on this features that they will support like commonly used data attributes for testing. Like, I think this word data cy is for Cypress. Data test ID is pretty common in everywhere. I haven't tried any other. Yeah, test ID QA. Yeah, this looks similar. But anyway, it means that these properties will be prioritized rather than these fallback. Yeah, sounds cool. Yeah, would I use it? I don't know. It might not help that much if you have clear understanding of your code structure. Basically, I think, as you listed here, you would add all those data attributes in your development, so you've already know what it is. So you would say, okay, I will focus on the element here. Okay, let's try another one. Sorry, it actually can add step before. Oh, it can selector. Blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah, let me try the new one for typing, I think. Let's say type. You can see that's just freezing. Oh god, it's freezing. It got me key up and key up, key down. It's just too low level. I think we need some higher level, right? We just need to type something into this text area. Yeah, we don't. This it's kind of like some program wants to help automate anything, but it cannot be that clever enough to make it both performant and human readable stuff. I think there's a balance there. But anyway, I'm not seeing how far we can go from this recorder stuff like this. If we somehow like integrate the whole E2E test stuff into this panel, either through this built-in features or through some external Chrome extensions like Cypress or any other things, and you can just start developing it like here, that would be super cool. But I don't think Chrome will look like that, right? I would expect that something to be implemented into the editor, to the IDE. I think Code Sandbox is a very good place to have this implemented. Yeah, I'm counting on it. Code Sandbox. Code Sandbox is so great. Awesome. That's it. This video doesn't may not help you too much, but it's always better to know some new features from Chrome, right? Stay tuned for my next video. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.